Hi, it's January 3rd, 2023. I'm here with the AnkerMake M5 3D printer. Ordered it off Kickstarter a bunch of months ago. Got it in December of last year, maybe 2 weeks ago. When I unboxed it, it was very solid, seemed sturdy. The assembly was pretty easy. Using the app was easy, getting it connected to Wi-Fi. No real problems, but when I turned it on, it seems like there's some kind of an issue with the X-axis motor or belt, or some combination. So let's just try to mess around with it here and see what the problem is. We go to control, move. So let's move the Z-axis first. Maybe hard to see on the screen, but the bottom two buttons are the Z-axis. So let's move the Z-axis. When I press Z-axis up, which is the lower left button here, it moves up pretty steadily, continuing to move up. Press it down here, no problem. So these two buttons right here in kind of the vertical position are the Y-axis, which is the print bed here. Let's see this move. Back, it moves back pretty steadily. When I press up on the Y-axis, it moves forward pretty steadily. Now let's take a look at the X-axis, which I guess will be left to right in this video. Let's move it X left. So what happens is I hit X to the left twice, and it moved to the left once, then back to the right. So let's take another quick look. I'll hit X to the left once, you see it move to the left, then you hit X to the left again and it moves back to the right. So I'm just continuing to hit X to the left here and it's just going back and forth, left, right, left, right. So it seems like that's an issue with the motor, again possibly the belt. Let's go back here and see if we can load up a print and see if we have any success doing an actual print. I'll print the default project that was loaded with the printer when I got it, this AnkerMake model, and let's see where we get. Okay, Autodesk Kickstarter. Okay, let's go ahead and print this and watch the X-axis movement of the head and listen to the printer too, because the sound does not sound right. So the extruder is heating up. Tough to see here on the right. Let's see. It's 95%. Then when that's done, we'll start printing the model that came with the printer itself. Y-axis print bed movement sounds and looks smooth. Z-axis sounds and looks smooth. The sound it makes when it tries to go left and right, though, is not the way it's supposed to look or sound, if you ask me.